Is your PC connected to Ethernet, but the internet still is not working? Frustrating, right? Don't worry, I have got you covered. In this video, we are going to apply multiple proven solutions to fix this issue step by step, and make sure to stick around until the end. One of these methods will definitely work for you. Let's dive in. Step 1. Check basic. First thing first, let's start with the basics. Make sure Ethernet cable is plugged in properly. Try switching ports or even using different cables. You would be surprised how often this simple trick works. Step 2. Restart everything. Next up, restart your PC and your router. Just unplug the router, wait for 30 seconds, and plug it back in. It sounds basic, but trust me, this fixes internet issues more often than you would think. Step 3. Run network troubleshooter. If your internet is still down, let's try Windows built-in network troubleshooter. Go to settings, then system, scroll down and select troubleshoot. From the troubleshoot, now hit on other troubleshooter, and from other troubleshooter page, select network and internet and click on run. This automatic tool can fix common connection problems. Step 4. Change network profiles. Sometimes your network profile settings can block internet access. Let's check and change it if needed. Go to settings and select network and internet. After that, tap on Ethernet. If it's set to public, change to private. If it's private, switch to public. This small tweak can instantly fix connection issues sometimes. Step 5. Change internet server. If you are still stuck, your IPS DNS server might be the problem. Let's switch to a faster and more reliable DNS like Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS. Press Windows plus R, type ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Right-click your Ethernet connection and select Properties. Double-click on Internet Protocol version 4. If the DNS server automatically selected, change to manual. To that, click on Use the DNS pooling server address. In the preferred DNS box, type 8.8.8.8. In the alternate DNS box, type 8.8.4.4 Google DNS, or use Cloudflare DNS 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. Click on OK. Restart your PC and check your connection. Step 6. Disable and enable Ethernet. Still no luck? Let's reset your Ethernet adapter. Press Windows plus R, select network connection, find advanced network settings and select Ethernet and hit disable. Wait a few seconds, then enable it again. Boom, check if the internet is back. Step 7. Update network drivers. Outdated drivers can also mess things up. Here is how to fix it. Press Windows plus R, go to device manager, expand network adapters, right click on your Ethernet adapter and hit update driver. If that doesn't work, try uninstalling the driver, then restart your PC. It will reinstall automatically. Don't worry. Step 8. Reset network settings. Still no internet. Let's reset all network settings. Open settings, then select network and internet. After that, tap on advanced network settings. Click network reset, tap on reset now and restart your PC. This clears out any misconfigurations and gives you a fresh start. Final step. Factory reset router. If all else fails, the last resort is factory reset of your router. Hold the reset button for about 10 seconds, let it reboot and set it up again. That's it. One of these methods will fix your Ethernet problem. Which one worked for you? Let me know in the comments.